Oh, that one's a bit faster than that one. Oh, there's a problem. Oh, I have to call Wayne. Yep, Wayne, you're really busy. But if you can spare a moment at all, I have a very, very serious. Yeah, I've got a vector problem. It's going to take 2 agents. Yeah, definitely. All right, as soon as you can. Okay. That was quick, Wayne.
Yep, I took the train as soon as I hung up.
Oh, wow. I didn't know there was a train in the middle of Tesco's.
There was also one in our garden.
Oh, yeah. I heard it once, though, didn't we?
Yeah. So, a vector problem.
Yeah, vector problem.
Wow. That one's a bit fatter than that one.
It is.
Oh, no, that is a tricky maths problem around the
serious
outside.
problem, yeah. I think that's the main point of this.
Yeah. So let's just go over it.
Yeah, let's break it down.
Okay.
So I've been told that O to A is a vector 3A. We should draw it on, Wayne. We should draw it on.
Top tip.
Yeah,
so
top
O
tip.
to A, the direction is that way. It's going from O to A.
And it's 3A. We're going to be given another one. It's O to B, and that one's B.
O to B is B. Now, I've noticed something.
I've noticed that. I'm about to say that, Wayne. You may have noticed the same thing.
B is the midpoint of O to R.
It is. So that means that must also be B, right?
Yeah, because if that's the midpoint, then that length must equal that length, so that must also be B.
So we know many things here. And also Q is the midpoint of those two, but I don't think we can write anything there yet.
Not just yet, but that might be important. So the first question, let's see if we can do it now.
Alright, so we need to use the vectors, vector A, B, we need to use what we have already.
Yeah, so A to B is going down here.
Yeah.
So we want to get from A to B, but we can't go straight like this.
But we have to use the rows given to us, which are the vectors, so we have to go this way around.
So we're going down here, and then across here. There you go.
Yeah, it's the opposite way around. You want to go for A, and it wants to go. So it'll be negative A.
Yep, so it'll be negative 3A, because it's all the way down this entire line. So it's negative 3A plus B.
Now you can write it the other way, which is slightly nicer.
Yeah, B minus 3A. It's a nicer way of writing it. Either way would get you the marks. That's one marker, that is.
So now we have a slightly more tricky one. We've got P to R.
Okay, now P to R is a made up line.
Yeah.
We're going down here, P to R, like that.
We are, and we know that P divides OA by the ratio 2 to 1.
We do, and to get from P to R, we should go down here, this part of the line, not all of A to O, so that's why it's going to be important.
Yeah.
And then across all the way to R.
Yeah, across the line.
Across the line. So if a ratio of 2 to 1 means that there's essentially 3 units here. And we're going across 2 of them, we're going down the longer one.
Yeah.
Which is 2/3.
So we're going to use 2/3 of A.
Yep, so it's 2/3 of 3A, so it's negative 3A.
Yeah.
2/3 of negative 3A. That would be this section of this line.
It would be.
Plus B, which is plus 2B.
It is.
And you expand that out.
You would. So that would give us 6 over 3, which is 2.
Yep,
minus 2.
Minus 2. Okay.
You can write it in the other orders.
Yep. So you've got 2B minus 2A. When you expand it out, you get 2A minus 2A plus 2B. You just switch them.
Yeah.
P to Q, that's another question. That's just this bit here, from there to there.
Now we know Q is the midpoint, so it's halfway along that line.
Yep. So we can either go down here, across here and up, but
I
it's
think
much
the other
easier
way.
to go up here and down here.
So like before, we now only have a third of our 3A line, but it's positive
because it's 2 to 1. So it's 1/3 of 3A.
So it's just A.
3A. Yeah.
And then we have half of our AB.
Now AB we worked out at the beginning, so it's a half of all of that. Because that vector represents A to B, so it's a half of B minus 3A.
Now to expand it and simplify it, as always.
Yeah. So we're going to have A plus a half B minus 3 over 2A, which is minus 1.5 A.
Yeah. So if we do that, then it will just give us minus a half A.
Yeah. So that would be our next line.
Yeah, so now we'll have
B minus a half A.
Yeah.
Now that's that part, that's that question, but PQR, question mark, what does that mean, Trev?
Well, when I first entered the room, somehow they got control of the speaker system over the neighbours, I don't know, but in a booming voice, I'm not going to do a booming voice when I can't do it justice, but they said, show it's a line.
Show it's a line?
Yeah.
Okay, so PQ to R is going from P to Q to R.
It is.
Okay, so we don't know how that is just yet.
But we do know the two things separately. We know P to Q, and we know P to R. They look quite similar, Wayne.
You've got a half B minus a half A,
Yeah.
and 2B minus 2A.
So they're factors of each other, Wayne.
They are both factors of B minus A.
Yeah.
So this line from P to Q to R could have been something like this. It could have been P to Q to R.
Yeah.
It could have been something like that. But because it's a factor,
They
we
must
know
all
that
be
they must be parallel. Each
Yeah.
line must be parallel. And so that parallel means that they go along infinitely and never touch each other.
Yeah.
But it doesn't go from P to Q and then somehow underneath it to R. It goes from Q to R parallel.
So
So
that
it must just be a
means-
straight line all the way.
I think that's it, Wayne. So I think we need to go in a straight line over there. But first, Wayne, I have, being a secret agent,
Yep.
I've noticed something slightly different about you, Wayne.
Have you? What's that?
I have. Your right ear, I think, has got some sort of modification on it.
You have a sharp eye, you do.
Thank you.
This is not a real ear.
I know,
I
it's
know.
a shock.
It is. It's actually a gadget. I was actually on a mission.
Oh wait,
Yeah.
well I phoned you, so
Yeah,
how did you hear me in the field then?
Well, that's what this gadget is for. It's a very special gadget
Oh, wow.
designed by Q. So put yourself in this situation that I was in just a few minutes ago.
Okay, I can do that, yeah.
You're on a mission.
Yeah?
You're in Tesco.
I'm in Tesco.
You've got to buy cookies for M.
That's the
It's
law.
her birthday.
Yeah. Oh wow.
You've not got her anything.
Oh god.
Well, you need a gadget.
Alright.
But anyway, you're in Tesco, you're getting cookies.
Mhm.
Then someone phones you.
Right.
And you know what it's like in the supermarket. It's all really loud.
You can't hear the phone.
You can't hear it properly.
Yeah.
So you put it on loudspeaker.
Right.
And then this is bulletproof. So if anyone was to shoot you in the ear, just reflect off, and in that particular area of your body, you'd be safe.
And everyone knows that all secret agents, that's their weak spot.
The right ear in Tesco.
So,
Perfect gadget.
perfect gadget.
Except for this inconvenient hole in it.
That is if it's a bullet small enough to, you'll be in trouble there, Wayne.
Yeah. I mean, Q nearly thinks of everything.
Nearly, but apart from really small bullets. So if we
Yeah.
get invaded by ants, we're doomed.
Yeah, but that probably won't happen.
That probably won't happen.
Great gadget, though.
It's a good gadget.
You need a gadget, and you need to get Em a present.
I do. Cookie time.
I'm having a bad day. It's about time that I get my way. Steamrolling whatever I see. Huh, despicable me.